Juliet Bravo, the basic service outside controlled airspace, and you're clear to cross southern controlled airspace, VFR, not above altitude 3,000 feet, QMH is 1015.
1015, not above 3,000, Golf Juliet Bravo.
So route 2 just east of the field, no more than about 3 miles, danger 138 active.
Right, okay. Thank you, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, clear to cross southern controlled airspace, VFR not above altitude 3,000 feet.
VFR not above 3,000 feet, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Juliet Bravo, squawk 4575.
4575. That's come up on Sky Demon, danger area activated. Yeah. Now if that danger area is active, yep, we've got to go through his zone, haven't we? Yeah, but he's cleared us through the zone. Yeah, that's true. How's that heading? Does that look alright? Could still come left a bit. That's great. Okay. London info, Golf Juliet Bravo, close to Delta, over.
Golf Juliet Bravo, roger, report mid-channel for transfer.
Okay. Definitely the coast. That's reassuring. Yep. I've not touched the controls since we sort of took up the last heading. It's just flying itself, is it? It's spooky, isn't it? Yeah. Look at all those ships, look. Yeah.
Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, bonjour.
Bonjour, Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, RV4, mid-channel this time with you on frequency, inbound to Lima Foxtrot Alpha Charlie. Lil Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo is coasting in Cap Grenade, request frequency change to Calais on 128925.
Roger, Jet Bravo, squawk 7000 and 128925, see you.
Thank you, fine. I'm going to dip the left wing in a minute. Yeah. You can take a picture of the beach for Sue. Okay. Looks like beach hut heaven. Ready? Yeah, ready. Calais, good morning, Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo.
Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo, Kelly information, good morning, sir.
We are just coasting in at Cap Grenade, inbound to you, squawking 7,000 at this time.
Golf Juliet Bravo, runway 06 in use at Calais, the wind 050 degrees at 3 knots. Quebec November Hotel 1015, report field in sight.
I always find those little sort of puddles quite interesting down there. Yeah, they look like bomb craters, don't they? Yeah. Or shell craters. Look at that great big beach. Yeah. Right, look out for pesky seagulls. Yeah, that's it, yeah. I suppose I should be filming this whole bit just in case. Don't be like that. Doesn't look like there's anybody there. I think I can see one aeroplane. Yeah, maybe two. Maybe, yeah. Maybe three. Two, anyway. Nice big cloud smack over the top of St Omer, but look at it. Yeah. Golf Juliet Bravo, turning final 06.
Juliet Bravo, Kenneth 4, roger, surface wind 150 degrees, 1 knots, report runway 06.
They're high and fast.
Degrees, 1 knot for the wind, and report runway vacated, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Will do, Golf Juliet Bravo. Seagulls.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah, I did just call one as well.
A bit fast, weren't we?
Well,
Get the tick over down anymore. We feel a bit tail heavy, to be honest.
yeah.
I sort of gauge that one a bit, but I wouldn't have thought with what we got on board we're exceptionally tail heavy. To some of the things we've done.
Maybe it was also the fact that, you know, there was a nil wind.
Well, there is that.
Because you normally come in here.
Yeah, you're used to raging wind here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Dead right there, I've forgotten about it.
Juliet Bravo, quel est your flight plan is closed?
Thank you very much, Golf Juliet Bravo.
And after, if you do not refuel, parking at your own discretion.
Thank you, Golf Juliet Bravo. Calais, Golf Charlie Delta Juliet Bravo at holding point Charlie, ready for departure.
Golf Juliet Bravo, no reported traffic. Wind calm, report leaving frequency.
That don't look nice over there, Tim.
Doesn't look that good, does it? Doesn't actually look very good when you look back where we came from.
No. Calais Tower, Golf Juliet Bravo is leaving the frequency for St Omer.
There's 15 miles to go and should be there by just after past. Well, we're following the good old road, aren't we?
Yeah. And heading for the thickest bit. Oh, shit.
I suppose if there's a nil wind, you'll land towards the hangar, won't you? Probably.
Victor Zulu Albergue en étape de base gauche pour la 06.
Very nearly halfway there, aren't we?
Yeah. 9 miles to run.
One of them goldfish bowl jobs, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, as I say, I was going to say, is that somebody on frequency, but isn't that a common frequency?
Yeah, it's Unicom. Well, so much coming over here for the nice sunshine.
Yeah. He did say it was going to be better this afternoon, didn't he?
I think it's officially raining now.
Yeah. 6 miles to run.
Get much more of a sensation of speed when you're lower down, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're saving time because I won't need a shower tonight. I'm getting one now. So it looks all locked up. No, it's not. The trouble is we're still ticking over at 1,000 revs.
Yeah.
Problem. Oh, there's a friggin' tractor, look, going to get right smack in between us and the runway, and I want to put down on the end of it. Keep moving, mate, for fuck's sake.
Just got.
Crazy. Certainly settling tail first.
So what will you do? Leave her in a normal place?
Yeah, they might invite me to put it in the hangar, mightn't they?
Yeah.
John's visit to the vending machine has produced some sort of strange specimen. Go for it. Well, at least it's not raining in here. It's alright, isn't it? Yeah. Looks good.
Not bad.
It's an impressive place, isn't it?
I like the way they've got that one up there, where they've got loads of pilots leaning on doped aircraft, fabric aircraft, and half of them are smoking. And the body is a mortar bomb.
Oh, very clever. A pilot holding a slate listing the 39 victories his unit won against the Huns in only 14 days at St Omer airfield, 21st of June 1918. Number 1 aircraft depot at St Omer, mechanics putting together an RE8 at the airfield on the 19th of December 1917. And in November 1916, a photograph that shows where 2,700 technical and flying personnel were based.
But the French plane caught up with them and began to do a dance around the two hulls that Pegu would have been proud of. But it was shooting too, and soon one of the German planes came down like a dead bird. I was told later that it had crashed into the trees of the Clermarais forest. the British plane continued to take the second German plane, which unfortunately managed to get away.
Oh, beautiful. And what do you think about this plane?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
It's excellent.
Yeah.
We came over especially to see it,
Yes, it told
and
me.
it's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah, lovely.
And if I post this, then you might get 1 or 2 more visitors.
And how do you...
Coming up in the next video, we visit La Coupale, we watch a balloon launch from St Omer, and we return via the Touquet. John got a phone call from somebody to say that they'd got an engine problem there, and we called in to see whether we could help them out. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so.